Hello everybody, howdy, what's up? Welcome to our channel One to Step, and today's video is on NetSpend Skylight, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your NetSpend Skylight account. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you so you guys can successfully log in into your NetSpend Skylight account. But before that, this video is going to be short, so before moving forward, just hit that like and subscribe to our channel because it helps our channel to grow and more people will know about this kind of video, and you'll be helping another person out by just liking this video. So do that, all right? So once you do that, first step is you want to search for netspendskylight.com, just like this. Pause the video to see what I wrote over here. Netspendskylight.com. Search for it. Once you search for it, it's going to bring you on this page. Once you're in this page, you just need to enter the username of your account over here. After you enter the username of your account, you need to enter the password of your account over here. And once you enter your username and password, you just click on login and you're good to go. You just logged in into your NetSpend Skylight account. And if you can't log in into your account for some reason, you can click on username over here to recover your account's username, or you can click on password over here in order to recover your account's password, all right? And if you want the website to remember your username the next time you come over here, you can just tick mark remember username and netspendskylight.com will remember your username. So the next time you come over here, it's going to automatically enter the username. Now it's simple. You just need to remember your password, all right? That's what it does. If you want to contact their staff, you can click on this. Contact us. If you want to activate your NetSpend Skylight card, you can click on this activate card. And if you want to go to their official website, just click on netspendskylight.com and you're gonna reach their dashboard. So this is the video. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. See you guys next time.